Coach Nate here. Welcome back. If you wake up feeling stiff or sluggish, this 5-minute full body stretch routine is exactly what you need to activate your core, loosen up tight muscles, and feel energized. This routine is for anyone who wants to improve core stability and strength, increase hip and hamstring flexibility, release lower back and side body tension. No equipment is needed, just your mat and 5 minutes of commitment. Most people probably will hit snooze, but you're here, making progress. By the end of this, you'll feel strong, mobile, and ready to take on the day. Let's hit the mat. We're kicking things off by firing up the core and stabilizing the lower back. Lie on your back with your arms extended toward the sky. Lift your legs into a tabletop position, knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly extend your right arm and left leg toward the floor, keeping your lower back pressed into the mat. Bring them back to the starting position, then switch sides. Continue alternating with control and precision. The dead bug exercise strengthens your core, improves coordination, and protects the lower back by reinforcing stability. Beginners, keep your arms stationary and just extend your legs. Advanced stretchers, hold a light weight in your hands for added resistance. Now, let's open the hips and relax the lower body with the lying butterfly stretch. Time to release tension in the hips, groin, and lower back with this deep stretch. Stay lying on your back. Bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall outward. Place your hands on your belly or out to the sides for support. Hold this position, allowing your hips to relax and sink deeper. Breathe deeply, focusing on expanding through the belly and exhaling any tension. This stretch opens the hips, improves flexibility, and helps counteract tightness from sitting too much. Beginners, place a block or pillow under your knees for support. Advanced stretches, gently press down on your knees to deepen the stretch. Next, let's activate the hip flexors and lower core with isolated lying leg raises. This one you're gonna love. Now we're focusing on hip mobility, core strength, and lower body activation. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Keep your left leg bent with your foot flat on the floor for support. Slowly lift your right leg straight up, keeping it as extended as possible. Lower it down with control, then repeat. Switch to the left leg after 30 seconds. This movement builds strength in the hip flexors, improves range of motion, and enhances lower body control. Beginners, bend the raised leg slightly if needed. Advanced stretches, add ankle weights for extra resistance. Now, let's stretch and lengthen the spine with the standing side bend. Time to open the obliques, rib cage, and spine for better posture and flexibility. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Reach your right arm overhead, keeping it straight. Gently bend to the left, feeling a deep stretch along your right side. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch improves spinal flexibility, relieves stiffness, and counteracts side body tightness caused by poor posture. Beginners, keep your opposite hand on your hip for stability. Advanced stretches, hold a light weight in your raised hand for a deeper stretch. Let's finish strong by stretching the hamstrings and spine with wide stance toe touches. Last move. Time to release tension from the hamstrings, lower back, and shoulders. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Hinge at the hips and reach toward the right foot, keeping your legs straight. Come back to center, then reach for your left foot. Continue alternating, moving smoothly and controlled. This movement improves hamstring flexibility, enhances spinal mobility, and helps with overall body coordination. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees. Advanced stretchers, try to place your palms flat on the floor for a deeper stretch. Boom! 5 minutes and your body's fully activated. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.